Hey guys, it's Christian with Bath Art Refinishing. Want to take advantage, our manager Elliot's going to go over our touch-up gun training. We're completing a weeks-long training here in Orlando, Florida. Here you go, Pete. We're going to go ahead and go over it quickly.
Alright, you go ahead and put it on. This is a 2-speed airbrush kit. This right here, you see the black cylinder piece. This is the actual compressor. USB charged, so you can use a little cigarette lighter or anything charged right there. Charges in quick charge in 10-15 minutes. You can get a good charge on it. It can last you about an hour straight. Fully charged, it can last you about 9 hours consistently using it. So what we're going to do, we're going to test it on this piece of paper right here. Right now I got it dialed down pretty good. You can see it.
Look at that.
We use this for our touch-up gun. For a lot of touch-ups we have, it's minimum overspray. Doesn't leave that heavy smell that will leave with the big HVLP guns. And you can adjust it. See, I can get it wider.
Look at that.
And it can get out pretty big. In this case, and you can see how it covers just in 2 swipes.
It's perfect for touch-ups, huh?
Oh yeah. It'll match perfectly. I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate it on this section right here we have on this tub we just sprayed. We put a piece of tape on there. This is the primer, you see, the almond color. We put a piece of tape so we can demonstrate how the airbrush touch-up clip looks. And this is the same product that was just sprayed.
This is all mixed with our thermal coat, correct?
Yes.
Look at that. This is the perfect tool for touch-ups.
You don't want to go crazy on it, you know what I mean? Because you can get runs on it still too.
Alright, our manager Elliot's doing some touch-up training. Here he's going to actually spray this area that we left untouched so we can show you how the touch-up actually performs. How the touch-up gun actually performs. Absolutely perfect for little touch-ups like this. You don't have to set up the entire gun, worry about overspray. And this little touch-up kit is, look at that, matched it perfectly. That is impressive. Give us a call, guys, 800-206-5958, extension refinishing.